This is the crocodile's nightmare, the bird that can swallow baby crocodiles whole. Native to South America, this massive bird stands nearly 5 feet tall, and when it spreads its wings, its wingspan can look as wide as a small car. Before we move on, if you love Jesus Christ, make sure to like and subscribe and comment on it. Let's find out how many people here truly love Jesus Christ. But the scariest part, its neck. When it gets aggressive, the bare skin on its neck turns a deep blood red color, making it look even more intimidating. Its beak is like an iron hammer. With one powerful strike, it can crush its prey and finish the job instantly. Nature really said, let's build a boss level bird.